All right, good morning, everybody. So we went 3-0 in college football yesterday. We beat that book. So let's keep it rolling. Today we're gonna go Cincinnati minus 3.5 against Houston. Rice plus 7.5 against Army. Mississippi State plus 5.5 against Florida. NC State plus 20.5 against Clemson. We're gonna go James Madison at a 10.5 against North Carolina. Kansas plus the 1.5 against West Virginia. Ohio State minus 39.5. Charlotte plus the 28.5. Louisiana Lafayette plus 1.5. Kentucky minus 19.5. Ball State plus 6.5. Virginia minus 3.5. Utah State minus 6.5. Iowa State minus 20.5. Southern Miss plus 6.5. Lock pick to Texas Tech minus 2.5. Notre Dame minus 27.5. Northern Illinois minus 13.5. Auburn minus 2.5. Navy plus 8.5. Lock pick Penn State minus 49.5. UCLA plus 21.5. Lock pick Louisville minus 10.5. Rutgers plus 3.5. Michigan plus the 6.5. Lock pick win the game. Utah plus 2.5. Duke minus 14.5. Vanderbilt plus 20.5. TCU minus 1.5. Colorado State minus 8.5. Liberty minus 7.5. UConn minus 1.5. Dog wins outright. Northwestern plus 11.5. South Florida plus 16.5 with a chance to win. Cal plus 2.5. Toledo minus 2.5. New Mexico State plus 15.5. North Texas minus 6.5. Tulsa plus 6.5. Iowa minus 2.5. South Carolina minus 26.5. Bowling Green plus 22.5. Tennessee minus the 7.5. Ole Miss minus 35.5. Texas minus 44.5. Colorado minus 1.5. Dog wins outright. Sparty beats BC plus the 5.5. Purdue plus 3.5. Fresno State minus 4.5. And BYU wins outright to close it out, plus the 6.5 points on that. Then we go to Major League Baseball. And so with the baseball, we like Pittsburgh over the Reds, Washington over the Cubs, Detroit over Baltimore, Boston over Minnesota, Miami over Atlanta, Toronto over Tampa Bay, Mets over the Phillies, Giants over the Royals, Mariners over Texas, Milwaukee over Arizona, Houston over the Angels, Cleveland over St. Louis, the White Sox over San Diego, the A's over the Yankees, and the Rockies over the Dodgers. And then lastly, the Canadian football. And with Canadian football, we like Montreal minus the 2.5 and Edmonton plus the 1.5. So if you've been riding with us, which I hope you are, you have made a lot of money. Now let's just go beat the